All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to answer a quick question, which is how do you add more RAM to your Modrinth playthroughs? Because sometimes with all the mods, it gets a little laggy, Larry, and the answer for your question is it's pretty easy, actually. So a lot of other launchers, you would have to add more RAM individually to each one of these different mod packs that you installed. But with Modrinth, you just go to settings, and then inside of here, under Java, no, it's not Java installations. Here it is, under default instance options, you're going to want to allocate memory no more than, I want to say, 50% or around there for however much RAM that you have. That kind of goes for any program that you're running on your computer. You don't really want to allocate it more RAM than 50% of what you got, because the other 50% is needed for everything else to run smoothly and not freak out and crash. At least with things like Java, because Java, if you give it an inch, it'll take a mile. So right now it's set to basically 2 gigs worth of RAM, and I've got 32. So I can bump that up to around like 8,000 or 8,800 or somewhere around there. And that gives me approximately half my RAM's worth of RAM for Minecraft, or in this case, Modrinth. And they've got these handy little nubbins here that are good for, demarking recommended allocations of RAM. So the first one is 2 gigs, the second one's 4 gigs, and then it doubles it to 8 gigs, which doubles to 16 gigs, which then once again doubles to 32 gigs to all of my RAM. I would recommend leaving it somewhere around 8 or 4. If you don't have as many gigs of RAM as other people because your computer's a little old, you might want to leave it on like the 4 gig side and then maybe bump it up to 8 just to see how it does. So that's it. That's all you got to do to increase the RAM for Modrinth so that things run a little bit smoother. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.